Let me tell you about the time I found a '65 Mustang sitting in a tow yard, looking sad but promising. Six-cylinder automatic, supposed to run and drive. I paid $400, couldn't pass it up. Hauled it home, rolled up my sleeves, and spent the next 3 months knee-deep in rust, grease, and nostalgia. I patched every hole, replaced every bit of chrome, and put in a brand new interior. Even the carpet was so clean you could eat off it. The inside looked better than the day it rolled off the line. I dropped $4 grand in parts, not counting busted knuckles and late nights. When I put it up for sale, I figured I'd at least get my money back. But every buyer who showed up took one look at that 6-cylinder badge and shook their head. It didn't matter how nice it was. Turns out, a pretty 6-cylinder Mustang is still a 6-cylinder Mustang. After months, I finally sold it for $3 grand, took a hit. So here's the deal. It's not about how good you make it look, it's about what you start with. You can't polish a turd. If you start with junk, you'll end up with junk, no matter how much elbow grease you throw at it. Lesson learned the hard way.